Is your business struggling with disconnected data, data inaccuracy, inefficient resource usage? At Technology Q, we offer a user-friendly Power BI interface that gives you quick access to all critical information with just a click. Our Power BI monitoring solutions offer complete oversight of your data environment. Key features include tracking failed reports, stale reports, scheduled and disabled reports, and completed refresh reports. We also offer critical dataset management features, disabled datasets, stale datasets, and failed datasets. Our Power BI monitoring dashboard offers a seamless experience with key reports displayed for quick access. Simply click to explore detailed data like in failed reports. Instantly access detailed insights for each section. The intuitive design enables effortless navigation through key metrics, ensuring you remain in control of your data. Moreover, with just one click, you can navigate directly to a detailed report or external resource for deeper insights. Whether you need a daily, weekly, or yearly view, our Power BI monitoring solutions let you customize your timeline with just a few clicks. No more overwhelming data. See exactly what when it matters. Clicked on too many filters? Is your dashboard looking cluttered or confusing? No worries. With our reset button, you can instantly return to the default dashboard view, clearing all your changes. Our advanced monitoring system automatically detects issues in your dataset and sends you daily email notifications. When our system detects an issue like a failed refresh, you'll receive a daily alert. The email provides details on what went wrong, where and when, along with a direct link for further investigation. So are you ready to monitor and secure your Power BI environment for less than the cost of a daily cup of coffee? With Technology Q's affordable Power BI monitoring service, let's get started today.